Right, so today's supposed to be day one of installing our CLT panels, and this is probably a good opportunity to show you that being a builder is quite hard and not everything always goes to plan. There's a lot of things that are out of our control, and even when we do our absolute best to make sure everything is perfect, shit goes wrong. So we basically was meant to have a truck on site this morning at 7:30 with our first load of panels. It's now 11:45. We basically should have had half of the ground floor stood by now. We've got this big crane behind me sitting here. We had a frenner out the front. Well, we got 7 guys on site. We had traffic control on the road, and we basically just wasted, they were all here at 7 o'clock, so we basically wasted 5 hours plus travel, so 6 hours. Probably close to $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 down the drain, all because someone hasn't followed through and booked a truck. So we left, it's literally taken months to pull all this together. As late as last Wednesday, we were sending emails reminding everybody that it's a wide load, that it's the day after a public holiday, that we need traffic control on the road. And we got an email on last Thursday morning with confirmation of all of our delivery times and dates over the next 2 weeks. And the first one of those was 7:30 to 8 o'clock this morning. And that's what we expected to happen. So once we got that confirmation email, we went ahead, we locked in our crew, we locked in traffic control, we locked in the cranes, we did everything that we needed to do, and it should have been perfect. But the one thing that's let us down this morning is the delivery company, the trucking company, has let us down. They haven't turned up to pick the panels up, and I'm not sure on all the exact rulings and stuff. There's some talk getting thrown around about being the day after public holiday, a wide load can't travel on the road until after midnight and this sort of stuff, but I don't know. I'm saying that someone's made a mistake and hasn't booked a truck in, and now they're making excuses. But basically it's been a full day wasted. Where we don't normally do work up at Caloundra, we're in Brisbane, so it's not like we can just pack up here and half hour an hour be on another job. So it's been a lot of money wasted, a lot of time wasted, especially when we're incredibly busy at the moment. Today could have been used on another job. I could have been in the office doing what I need to get done. Instead, we've just wasted a whole morning here. So very frustrating at the end of the day, but we can't do anything about it. So we're moving on. The boys are going to set up some heights and stuff. I'm going to go and get some emails done and get some stuff done that I had planned for later in the week. And we'll come back here tomorrow morning and we'll get stuck into it again. So fingers crossed, all goes to plan, second time lucky.